How to buy Aegean gift card. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can purchase an Aegean gift card for yourself and for your loved ones. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your web browser and then in the search box type Aegean gift card. Alright, and click on the search option. Then once you've done that, you can see again gift card being displayed. Just go ahead and select it. Then after selecting the again gift card option, you'll be taken to the gift cards page. So on this page, you can see one gift, countless travel experiences, and then you can see personalize your gift card. There are three stages for you to be able to buy your gift card. The first stage would be or is to personalize the gift card. The second stage is payment, and then the last stage, of course, is the confirmation stage. Then to personalize your gift card, you would have to type out your text here. Let's say, for example, it could be my dearest friend, for example. And then once you're done with that, the next thing to do will be to type your wish here. Okay, just type out your wish, and then after typing your wish, type your text here again, and then once you're done, you'd have to select the gift card amount. All right, so you have to select the gift card amount. Okay, then after selecting the gift card amount, the next thing will be for you to send your gift by typing out the recipient details: the first name, the last name, the email, the country code, the mobile phone number, as well as the sender's name. And then once you've done that, check this box to show that you've agreed to the terms and conditions. Then click on continue to payment, and then you'll be taken to the payments page where you'll be actually entering your card details and all. Ensure you enter it in, make your payment, and then confirm your payment, and then just like that, the gift card will be purchased and sent to your friends or whoever you decided to send it to. So this is how you can buy a game gift card. It's very simple. But before then, ensure you have something very, very sweet composed for that friend or lover of yours. Thanks for watching and have a good day.